US Supreme Court hears challenging to ban or transgender care for minors. The US Supreme Court has taken up a pivotal case concerning transgender rights, hearing arguments over the legality of a Tennessee law that bans gender affirming medical care for transgender minors. The case arises from the Biden administration's appeal against the lower court decisions that upheld the law, marking another significant moment in the national debate over LGBT rights and healthcare. The Tennessee legislation's back to Republican lawmaker prohibits healthcare providers from offering puberty blocker hormone therapy or surgical interventions to individuals under the age of 18 for the purpose of gender transition. The law argues it is necessary to protect children from making irreversible medical decisions to a young age, claiming that such treatments could lead to a long-term regret. They also assert that minors lack the capacity to fully understand the implications of these medical procedures. Critics including LGBTQ advocates, medical professionals, and civil rights groups strongly oppose the law, arguing it discriminates against transgender individuals and denies essential medical care. They contend that gender-affirming treatment are supported by leading medical organizations as evidence-based care that significantly improves the mental health and overall well-being of transgender youth. Denying access to such care, they warn, could lead to severe psychological distress, increased rates of depression, and higher risk of suicide among transgender minors. The case is being closely watched nationwide as it has the potential to set a significant legal precedent. Tennessee is one of the several states that have passed laws restricting or banning affirming care for minors. If the Supreme Court upholds the Tennessee law, it could embolden other states to implement similar restrictions. Controversially, a ruling against the law could affirm the rights of transgender individuals to access health care and limit the scope of state-level restrictions. This is not the first time the Supreme Court has addressed issues impacting LGBTQ+ rights. However, the case is particularly contentious as it involves the intersections of healthcare, parental rights, and the autonomy of transgender youth. The court decision expected in the coming month could have far-reaching implications, shaping the legal landscape for transgender rights and influencing the broader cultural and political discourse surrounding LGBTQ+ issues in the United States. So this is me, Tabinder, signing off. Stay tuned for more news. Desi TV USA, DTVNN, and our OTT platform DTV Flex, where you can access to over 3,000 channels. So stay tuned and stay with us.